Bro, no way this happened. Crap. I messed up.
Oh, it's windy. Nobody's hacking. It's windy. It's tricky, yeah.
Oh my, bro, look. Okay, I think someone's modding.
What happened? Real, what happened? It's the wind.
Yeah, this.
It's the wind. What's happening? Bro, what happened to Canyon? What happened to Canyon?
What is happening?
What's happening to Canyon? These ropes are not worms.
Bro, what was happening? I was just going to go for another thing and that happened, bro. Come on. Bro, who's modding?
Not worms. Because it's windy.
Wait, who's modding though?
It's a problem. It's windy. Nobody's modding.
No
The
one?
wind. Buddy, there's nothing wrong. It's just the wind. Yeah,
Let's
for
go,
real.
guys.